So, hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am doing great. So, I'm back with another cricket video. So, guys, I'm in my video today. I'm going to tell you what's inside my kit bag as a district level wicket keeper batsman. So, stay tuned. So guys, this is here my kit bag. I'm shooting this video in my balcony, so it might be a bit messy. So this is a kit bag, SS Sunridges kit bag right here. So guys, as a wicket keeper, I have many things in my kit bag. So my kit bag is a bit big. So stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, this is my kit. I open this up, and inside my kit bag, it's black Moonwalker wicket keeping pads. I actually got two. I got a pair of wicket keeping pads. Then I got the white pads for basically test matches or red ball matches. These are batting pads. So guys, I got both batting and wicket keeping pads, and these are new guys. These batting pads are really new, so just getting it into the shape. Guys, after the two pairs of pads, I got my wicket keeping gloves. You can see these are wicket keeping gloves. As a wicket keeper, it's very important to wear gloves as it's the most important perspective. After that, I got a helmet. This is the most valuable thing in cricket as it protects your head. Head is the most important thing. It protects us and our head. So I got a helmet. As you can see here, as a wicket keeper and as a batsman, it is important to practice. So to practice, I got a white leather ball. It's from 80 Sports. After I got batting gloves. I got two pairs, but I have only one right now with me. And guys, next is a very special thing. It's thigh pad, woodpecker black thigh pad. I'm been using this for 3 years now. Very good quality, and I have very memories with me. This is a outer thigh pad, this inner thigh pad. So guys, yes. After that, guys, I got two L guards. This is the most important thing as it protects, you know what, guys. It protects us. And then guys, I got a chest pad. This is not necessary, but still for practice, if I play under 17, under 18 ballers, or if I face my father when he's ball against me, I usually wear this chest pad. We wear it like this, so it protects us. And in last, I got two bats. One SS English willow bat and a Seat English willow bat. So okay guys, this is my complete kit in front compartment. And if you go in here, I got kookaburra spikes. Kookaburra spikes, very important aspect important cricketing gear, as you know. As you know, guys, I am a district level cricketer. So yesterday was my match. We got buys. Haha, our opponent didn't came to play. So, but this is Spike's very important thing. So, guys, this is my complete kit. Let me know how you think of my kit. So, guys, till then, bye bye.